guys, I got the perfect opportunity to do an install at a railroad, um, please, at a customer's house that has a railroad track around their property. But this system is just for the garage, which is now the railroad or rail car repair shop, and of course a Goodman. I don't know if you can see that clearly. ARUF series. Got the main trunk line, and they're actually going to extend it another 20 feet straight ahead. I got my disconnect and line set done. Drain lines look pretty sweet. And got two 12-inch returns connecting to a 14 by 24 boxes. One on this side, one on the other side towards the display house. Alright, I'll show you downstairs.